Really old broccoli, you silly banana. What are you doing? You're just going to make a hole? You're going to make a hole? Put it on then. You give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Go and give William a kiss. Give William a kiss. I'll give him a kiss. Well, be kind. He's climbing up to get one. Give Will a kiss. The full-on snog. Careful. Oh dear. William's got a cough. Elle, give the camera a kiss. Give everyone a kiss. Yeah, a big silly chop. What are you putting in your mouth now, Spoon? Can you tell me what noise does a duck make? Quack, quack. What noise does a cow make? Moo. Moo. What noise does a sheep make? Mat. 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 Here goes Matt. You do it, Elliott. Go Matt. Say that out. Here you go, Matt. There's a good boy, Matt. Matt. And you're a monkey. How does a monkey go? That's right. Sounds remarkably like a duck. Give us a duck again. How does a duck go? Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, it's just like a monkey. How does a sheep go? Meh. Meh. Clever boy. Meh. 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 Elle, you gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. See you later, nannies. See ya. Good boy. Oh, one last kiss. Oh, you're a silly Billy.